Hello everybody and welcome to week 1 of Technical Math. I'm Sarah Davis. I am your instructor for this course. I know that some of you are a little bit leery about doing math, and this is just one of the little things I like to tell folks all the time. I hear a lot, I can't do math, but I want you to know that yes, you can. I'm here to help you with any of those obstacles that you may have experienced before. I'm going to provide you resources every week that I've created for you, and they're going to be in the From the Instructor section, just like this one. And this is a good way to see the material broken down in a way that maybe the book doesn't necessarily do. And please know that you can always call me, email, text me if you have any questions at all, and my contact information is down here. This week we're going to be looking at whole numbers. Chapter 1 is all about whole numbers, and this is just a graphic to illustrate the place value of whole numbers. So this is everything to the left of a decimal point. So I've given you an example of a number here, and you can pick any number in this big number and you can identify what place value it's in. So for example, the 7. The 7, if you count from the left, is in the 5th place. So if you use the graphic, it is going to be the 10,000th place. So that's just one small example for you on this one. The next topic that you're going to talk about, other than the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, is going to be rounding. But before I get into my slide here on rounding, I wanted to just let you all know that as you're working those sections on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, please use your calculator. I know that the textbook goes through and shows you how to do everything the long way, but in reality, in any situation, we're going to have a calculator and we're going to have that tool. And I want you to get familiar with using that tool. On that note, when you're showing your work for your assignment, what I need you to show me is what you typed into your calculator. So you can type it into a Word document and you can just put 2 times 3 equals 6 or whatever. Or if you prefer, you can handwrite it in on a regular piece of paper, scan it, or take a picture and upload it. So any of those ways are acceptable ways to show your work on those problems. Now, after you get past that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you're going to get into rounding. And rounding is something that some people struggle with a little bit, but these are the steps that you're going to be using. What you're going to do is you're going to first identify the place that you've been instructed to round to. So pick that spot and identify it. I usually underline it. And then you're going to look at the digit to the right of that place. If that digit is 5 or greater, we're going to round the one we underlined up. And all the other digits become zeros. If it is 4 or less, it's going to stay the same and everything else becomes zeros. So take a look at that. Let me know if you have questions on those as you're going through it, and make sure you reach out to me if you have any problems. The next topic, and really the last topic in this particular chapter, is order of operations, and I've given you a little meme for you guys to use to help remember how to do order of operations. And some of you may have remembered this, even from grade school or high school. So let's take a quick peek at how to do this. When we talk about order of operations, it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we're going to do everything in parentheses first, then exponents, and that includes square roots, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So as we look at this example right here, you're going to see that we don't have any parentheses, but we do have exponents. And in this case, exponents is referring to this piece right here. So the square root of 25 is 5. So now we can look at this equation, or this expression, as 9 plus 15 divided by 5. Now we're going to do any multiplication or division from left to right. The division problem is this piece right here. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So this is 9 plus 3 now. And then finally we're going to do the addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So our final answer is 12. So if at any time you're looking at these order of operations and you have a question, again, please feel free to reach out to me. Any problems that you have at all in this first chapter, make sure you reach out. And, you know, again, I'm here for you. That's what I'm here for. So if there's anything at all that you need, please let me know. Again, my name is Sarah Davis, and you can reach me at 618-792-2293. Have a great day.